Okay guys, on January 22nd, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of crassula springtime. So we have a very small plant of this species. You can also see that there are some weeds growing inside it, so we can remove it out. There is also one wandering Jew plant and one Kalanchoa leaf, which I have placed it for propagation. Now you can see that I have plucked one of the leaf of my crassula springtime. Okay, now I will take one stem cutting and I have cut it out with my surgical scissors. You can cut it out like this, okay? And now we have to leave it in shade for some days, and after some days its wounds will get healed. Okay, now you can see that our plant is healthy and we have taken one of our stem cutting. So, and its leaf, you can see that its leaves are very compact, okay, very close to each other in the form of a rosette. So now we have to wait for several days. On February 7, 2023, now is my voice is dubbed on these three part of the videos. So okay, now you can see that our wound is healed, our stem cutting wound is healed and stem is looking good. Now we have taken our glass, disposable glass with a lot of drainage holes in it, okay? And this one is our media, which consists of a lot of sand and simple garden soil. It is better to add sand due to its good drainage capabilities. Okay, so now we will put our media in the disposable glass, which contains around 1 dozen holes under it. And why it is so? Because we want a better drainage for this plant now, and both the holes and the media specifications help us in better drainage. Drainage means that water do not used to be stored inside this pot, okay, but it will drain, okay, from the bottom. Okay, so now you can see that our water has been absorbed by the media. Okay, and now we will place our stem cutting in it. We will place it like this. Okay, now this is our cutting, and usually the result is 99% of all the succulents, so hopefully it will survive. And you are not supposed to keep it in the full sun, but it is better to keep it in shade. On April 13, 2023, now we have got our stem cutting, and now you can see that it has changed its color a little bit from dark to green, okay, from very dark color to green. And now we can see that this is our root ball. Now we got our good root ball and good root development, and also there is some leaf development as well. So this is our result. Usually these succulents do not like a lot of water, so you need to water when the upper surface of the pot or media will be totally dried out, and then after you need to water it out. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.